Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is the Real Brown 03 coming to you with a room review. This is the Towneplace Suites in Janesville, Wisconsin. This is their king room. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour right quick. So as soon as you come in the room, you have a full-length mirror to the left, which is pretty cool. Then you swing on by, then you have your little kitchen area. You have your microwave, you have a refrigerator right here, nice little sink, Keurig coffee maker, toaster, nice little stove. You have a dishwasher. It does come with cabinet spaces. Comes with some plates and some cups and glasses. The area. This right here is a little desk area in case you need to do some work. This right here is all my electronics charging area. So this is my work area. Then you come into the actual room area. You have a couch right here with the ottoman, some couch. Then you have a nice comfortable king size bed, which is very, very comfortable. Marriott has their own bed, so I strongly recommend staying in the Marriott Hotel. 2 nightstands. Then panel right here, you have a nice big TV. When it's on the main screen, it has your name on the screen, that says welcome. Then we come into the bathroom. Nice sink, plenty of towels. Down underneath there, plenty of drawer space. And then we have a nice walk-in shower, which has plenty enough room. The nozzle is over to the left, and the drain is over to the right with the shower head right there. Other than that, yeah, this is just a quick room tour of the Towneplace Suites King room. There's not that much to show. It's just a basic room. I am on the 4th floor, so I'll give you guys my view. So this is my view on the 4th floor, looking at the highway and looking at a shopping area here in Janesville. So yeah, other than that, that's about it. Remember, like, share, subscribe to my videos. Tell your friends about it. Leave a comment down below. Thank you.